Have you ever wondered why do we need multiple types of athletic shoes? How much pollution does making a pair of athletic shoes cause? What are the chances of an increase in injury if you don't wear appropriate shoes?
Hi, I'm Shaurya. I'm passionate about all sports and I play badminton at the state level in India. While playing multiple sports, it was necessary for me to lug around multiple sets of shoes as I had experienced an injury in the past due to the lack of proper footwear. It was also getting too expensive to own different shoes for various sporting disciplines each year, as I was outgrowing them quickly. I did some research and discovered that only 1 in 10,000 Indian children own a pair of athletic shoes. This got me thinking about the children at an organization called Khel Katha, which I spearheaded with my friends at the Tata Municipal School. We teach and train underprivileged children fundamentals of sport at a grassroots level. It was here that I observed some of the problems faced by these children. They don't have access to basic equipment including sports shoes, as most of them can't afford them. This increases the risk of injuries and discourages them from pursuing their passion in sports. A hidden yet prime concern is when a child is young, they outgrow shoes fairly quickly. These shoes are disposed of and end up in landfills, eventually contaminating the soil and even drinking water. This has a disastrous impact on our environment. Researchers have found that a new pair of synthetic running shoes typically generates 30 pounds of carbon dioxide emissions. More than 25 billion pairs of shoes are manufactured every year. That's a very high carbon footprint for just one pair of shoes in a year. But what if there's a solution that makes playing any sport more affordable? A solution that helps make shoes lightweight and easily portable while addressing the sporting injury problems. What if there's a solution that reduces carbon footprint? I present to you an affordable and accessible solution. Multiplay. Our product is a removable sole which wraps around the shoe and drastically reduces carbon footprint by 75%. Specifically modified as to provide the features needed, such as studs and cleats for different sports. It has an elastic feature strap which allows you to stretch out completely and wrap around the shoe as per your shoe size. This helps increase longevity and durability of the shoes, as there's often a lot of wear and tear that happens at the soles and people have to replace the entire shoe because of that. Our product helps you reduce the frequency of replacement of shoes. Just use Multiplay, and when our sole wears out, you can either replace it or continue to use your shoes. The current market has an extremely high manufacturing and selling cost along with carbon footprint. It also cannot be used for a variety of sports as it leads to injury. Cocker shoes, on the other hand, are lower on the manufacturing and selling cost side but do not support multiple sports and are not easily available. The current market does not have anything like Multiplay for everyday sports. It will stand out from the market as it is less expensive, causes less pollution, allows children to play a variety of sports without restrictions, and reduces injuries significantly. It will also last longer than a normal shoe as it can stretch for a few shoe sizes and can be used for multiple shoes as children grow. Based on the Blue Ocean's ERRC parameters, we have analyzed Multiplay in the following manner. The current market consists of sports enthusiasts and aspiring sportsmen. The 3 tiers of non-customers for Multiplay are: while Multiplay is still in its early phase, through extensive research, we've already developed prototypes of different studs and cleats on a sole of a competitive brand with similar functionalities. These studs and cleats are currently in their testing phase with sports like cricket and football. Going forward, we're looking at modifications such as ankle support for basketball, heel grip for badminton, and lateral grip for tennis. We're also looking at further modifications such as basketball and badminton shoes have to be light, whereas tennis has to be heavy. It is these modifications which will help to greatly reduce the injury chances by about 50 to 75%. This will transform your everyday shoe into an ideal shoe for sports. The manufacturing cost of our product is up to $6 per pair. With the inclusion of studs and cleats that are needed for various sports, this cost increases up to $7. This is almost 1/5 the cost of a regular athletic shoe. This enables Multiplay to plug the potential gap of the existing market. With Multiplay, we're certain that with a $1 billion global sports industry, we will revolutionize the approach to sports with a sustainable business model. Thank you for your time.